Hi there. Today I have a process video of my digital pocket scrapping. This is from week 30 and I am using here a kit from Cyan Designs called Blue Skies, which is ironic. I have very strong feelings about blue, which is that I do not like it, but here I am using this whole kit, which is mostly blue. It is a very lovely kit, and I do have a lot of blue in my photos, so sometimes a person just cannot keep up with the things they don't like. Here I've just colored the background square for this pocket, and then I just added a little cardstock texture to it. Since I wanted a black cardstock and I did not have one immediately available, I just created it on the fly. Those cardstock styles are also from a leaf, and you can find them at Pixel Scrapper. They're very nice for just using on the fly like that, because you don't have to do really anything except click the button. What a lovely little tassel banner. This is a very quick process video. You saw I got those papers in really quick. Elif does such a great job of creating her patterns. It makes it easy to mix them. And now, oh look, I am being a hero and putting the month on this spread. What a great thing to do. And now I'm just adding in some decorative touches here. Looking for just, these are photos from our trip up to the Oregon coast this summer. So you can see there that we actually stopped in the redwoods on the way up and drove through the tree, which was pretty fun. Yeah, I'm impressed with this layout because I did not even have to edit the process video. I was pretty quick and efficient at making this layout. A lot of times I cut out a bunch of shenanigans where I'm messing around or I've gone off to do something. Things don't always progress very orderly, but for this one, things seem to have gone quite smoothly. Coming to the end here. If you like these process videos, please let me know by leaving a comment or liking this video. And if you would like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.